So here's a quick video on how to cast to several nested metasounds graph if you wanted to via a metasound manager. So the casting to the metasound is pretty straightforward. You create essentially an audio component, and in that audio component you place the metasound that you want to cast to, in this case the MS manager, and then you can then send to floats if you wanted to, or you can do the float here, so you can also do triggers, which we have down here. So execute the trigger. Now, first of all, you probably want to get some of these values so you know how to scale them. So I have here jump values, and I use a trigger to open the value so it doesn't change just because the player is moving ascending. And then we have walk and we have dash. So if I go back to the game, I'll play the game. We'll jump. And then I'm switch to walking. I'll come back and then we'll do a dash. Cool. If we then go back to the log, and then we can do jump, and we can see that here are the values for the jump, and then that was the jump there, so it's about up to 229, so that's good. And then we have dash, and then dash is up to 2000 because that's the value of it. So that's kind of the values that we have to play with. So once you have the values, you obviously want to use them also. So here's a way to do that. So I've got a nested jump and a nested dash. And if we look at nested dash here, so the input values here, so I open up the envelope, so it opens up, and then I have mapped the range here from 300 to 2000. So it goes from 0.1 to 4. And if we go to nested jump, it's a very similar approach here. So I've got the trigger here, opens the envelope, and then the value here, sine frequency, comes into, remap that from 90 to 300 to 0 to 4, so I multiply the original value with 4. Metasound manager then have these inputs, so dash, jump are the triggers, and then dash and jump value, so dash trig. And yeah, I probably need to have a bit more consistency in my naming, but it's to show. Anyway, so let's look at this in the game. So start. So that works. And if we go back here and try the dash, like that. Dash over here.